First, you're going to need your hardware, which is your thumb drive, your computer, and an internet connection, and also the software, which I have links to all of it here. Kali Linux, go to downloads, download the torrent, not the ISO. Torrent's a lot faster. I already have it downloaded, it's just letting me know. Download Rufus. I already have this downloaded, so I'm going to click cancel instead. Your Grub 64, again already have it downloaded, so I'm going to click cancel. And your bootx 64, already have it downloaded, so click cancel. Download the ISO, which I already have right here, and extracted it already. There's the ISO. Plug in your USB drive you're going to use. I already downloaded it, so run Rufus. These are the settings I use for it. Click the little disk drive and select your ISO. And let it do its thing. I'm going to end up pausing this to where you don't have to wait for the full amount of time. Because as you can see, it's 5:08 right now according to system clock. Alright, so now pause this real quick. And we're back at 5:18. Let it go ahead and finish all of its stuff up. And I figured it was going to be quick since it's already this much done. Didn't want to get it done first before pressing play. Alright, now that that's actually finished, we can go ahead and close Rufus out. Say it's done. Close. Now step 5, open up your thumb drive in Explorer. Now you have to create an EFI boot. Keep in mind they have to be capitalized. No lowercase, not mixed caps, not big first letter, little middle letter, big last letter. Linux is case sensitive. It has to be capitalized. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and copy your EFI files into that boot folder. Alright, go ahead and paste them here. Now you're going to open up your WordPad, Notepad, whatever your text editor that you're going to use is. I'm doing this setting everything up from Windows 8, so I'm just going to use Notepad. If I can get the charm to open. Now go ahead and just, all you do is highlight this, don't change anything. Just highlight, slide down. Copy it and go in here and you can paste it. I like to get rid of the blanks at the beginning personally, just kind of my thing. See, you have to save it as grub.cfg, not accidentally .cfg.text, not .text or anything, just .cfg. So save as, put save file type or the save as type as star.star. There you go. Go ahead and change that. That makes it so you can put whatever extension you want. So with it saying that, just type grub.cfg and that'll be what it saves as. Alright, go ahead and save that. Now all you got to do is reboot the system and you should be good to go. Alright, sorry if this is a little bit jumpy, but I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'm just kind of holding my camera up recording this. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and reboot. I'm not going to actually do an install on this computer because this computer is already set up for everything I needed to do. But for demonstration purposes, to where you can see how you can get into the install and all that. There it is. Go ahead and UEFI, the Kingston Data Traveler is the USB stick I used. Click that. There's your Grub startup menu so you can do the install, and error, empty security header. One of the downsides of a secure UFEI system. Let's try another one. Yep, still have an error. There is a way to fix this so you can actually get through properly. Let's go take a look at that option. Go into your setup. And go over to your security tab. Secure boot control. Disable it so it'll boot as UEFI. Maybe not, it won't. It'll disable the secure feature. Basically all the main security stuff to make sure no one tampered with the booter or whatever. And now we go ahead and go into UFEI again. Graphical install, secure boot not enabled. And just let it go ahead and wait a second, and it boots up the way it's supposed to. Now you can perform your install exactly how you would every other day. If it doesn't recognize your Wi-Fi drivers, it's best to be connected with an Ethernet cable just to avoid any complications, because it will download grub files, the UEFI grub files, for your installation. Alright, I hope this helps someone. Have a good one.